Hey, Cap! Over here!
Help! I'm chained to the wall!
Right behind you!
Oh.
Oh, you again, sweet thing?
Oh. Gotta run. I'll call.
Oh, get the boy, Brew. I'll take care of Frankenstein's bride. Yeah, nothing doing, Cap. This one's mine. Come on, big gal. I'm gonna pulverize ya. Don't worry, kid. We're almost home. Can you make it on your own?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh!
Oh, hey, Brew. Cap?
Bronwyn!
Well, I got Hila. We gotta make tracks, Cap. This ship's en route to that big campery in the sky.
Kiss Cinderella goodnight, Brew. We've stayed too